I'm super excited to announce this powerful new feature we're releasing for HelloQuery, which allows you to add tenancy scoping and tables, allowing specific tables to your queries. Why would you want to do that? So you can put it in front of your customers. So if you have a tenant scoped database, for example, you have an account ID, workspace ID, user ID on every table, and you want to put this kind of chat dashboard reporting feature in front of your own customers, you can now do that, which is incredibly exciting. And so I'm super pumped to share that with you. So what does that look like? So when you log into HelloQuery as an admin, a normal user, you're going to see this sidebar has totally changed. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your customers and you're going to add the scoping, the data requirements for your customers. We will be rolling out SSO in the future so you can send the correct ID at runtime, but this is the step to get us there. So go into here and create a new customer, Sally, user one, and Sally123 at gmail.com. And let's say let's say every table has user ID one. And if you don't want tenant scoping, we can still just allow or disallow specific tables. Oops. And this sample database only has 5 tables, so I'm going to leave that blank, which is going to allow all of the tables. Then I create that customer. What happens when you create that customer is they are going to get an email with their password to log on to HelloQuery. If you are testing this, you can use your own email and just log on with a different email address. And remember, with Gmail based emails, which most are these days, even custom domains, you can put dots in your email to make it seem like it's a different email when really it goes to your inbox. Feel free to send me a message if that is confusing. So now I have this new user and I'm going to go and open an incognito window, or you're going to log out of HelloQuery, but for testing, you might just want to open another window in incognito mode. And I have that here. And we're going to put in the email address and then, oh, right, the password is in their email. And we're going to put in the temporary password. And once your user has signed on, they are able to change their password. So I'm going to make this larger and we're going to log them in. Now, one of the things you'll notice right away is there's a different logo and a different name. And so you can customize that in the admin. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. That's not the most important part. The most important part is we've worked really hard to make this customer facing view very user friendly. And so they don't have access to any kind of SQL. They have chats and they have dashboards. So tell me how many deals I did. So your user comes in, this is your company branding. They're never shown SQL, they are just showing the results, and then they can create their own dashboards. Deal here in their account. And then we've also added this so they could just pop right back into their conversation as they are trying to solve their problems. They can log out and change their password, and that is the only permissions this user has. And so again, they have dashboards, they have chats, and they are actually chatting with their own data. So what is really important here, of course, is the tenancy. And we are actually going to share, not our actual code, but kind of a little UI of testing tenancy so you can feel confident in our ability to do that. But let's see. This user is what was the first question? Counting user deals. How many deals have you done? How many deals have been done by all users so you can see they cannot run that query. We're going to change this error message to be more user friendly. Right now, I'm leaving this here so during the testing phase, you can see that we are properly sanitizing all of your queries and give you a little bit of confidence there. Other things, if you go back to your admin view, a few things. I'm going to go back to the admin view. So this is your view. So this is where you would be logged in. And we have this customer's questions where the questions they have asked are showing up by the user. And then the branding. So to update the branding, you can just Colleen's company. You can just update this. You can update icon here, and whatever you update here will be in your, so let's update this. We'll update, I didn't update the icon. That was my mistake. We'll update here in the user view. So this is the initial prototype. This is the initial beta. We're feeling very good about this. And please check it out. Let me know what you think.